Yes, a plant is a telor as well. Anything living, anything that senses need and seeks to gratify it, for instance, by phototaxis, by just when a plant goes toward the light, when it's in the shade, and it twists itself around and it moves so that its leaves can catch a little bit of sunlight between the, through the forest canopy or whatever it is. That is telesis. That is, the plant is actually a telor. It's a primitive telor, but it is a telor nonetheless.
Can plants get upset if you pick their fruits or cut their limbs?
The fruit has been deliberately made to be picked. Fruits taste good because the plant wants animals to eat them and spread the seeds.
Okay.
Right? So that's what the plant wants you to have, that fruit. It doesn't want you to pick the fruit before it's ripe, but that fruit is a gift from the plant, yes.
But what if you want to cut down a tree branch or something? Does that hurt the plant?
It certainly does hurt the plant. If you go to a tree surgeon, for example, you'll find that there are certain preparations that are immediately applied to a branch as soon as the limb is cut off. He gets up there and applies a tar-like substance that stops the plant from bleeding or stops microorganisms from getting into the wound. There are indications that plants, animals, even microorganisms are very well aware on some level of what they're supposed to be and what they're supposed to look like. So yes, anything from which you remove a limb is going to notice it. Doesn't mean, by the way, that you're necessarily hurting the plant wrongly. For example, in some cases, I've had to remove limbs from trees because I knew they were going to break and they might actually split the trunk when they did it. In other words, sometimes you have to do this to save a tree, for example, from greater hurt later on. You just want to make sure you do it right, and always there is a respect for life. And as long as you have that respect for life, then that's fine.